Okay, I'm going over to export a GIF or GIF from Photoshop. So, number one, make sure that your file's saved first as a Photoshop file. That's pretty important. Number two, you're going to go to export, but not go to export as like you'd expect. You're going to go to save for web legacy. As the 2019 version, this works much better. Okay, so under save for web legacy, it's already on GIF format. It's already got looping forever, that's good, but if it's not, you can change it there. And when you're ready to go, you just press save. And then we're going to call this loopy.gif on the desktop. Okay, once I've done that, on my desktop there'll be a nice file called loopy.gif. And there it is. And if I drag it in here, you can see it work. There you go. Okay? So that's how to export to GIF.